Trump announces heavy tariffs on goods from Mexico, Canada, and China, leading to potential reduction in productivity. Welcome to AFRIMEDIA Rwanda by Samantha Waldenberg, Kevin Liptak, Elena Treen, and David Goldman. CNN updated at 11:18 p.m. EST, Saturday, February 1st, 2025. President Donald Trump announced the imposition of significant tariffs on imports to the United States from Mexico, Canada, and China, signing the measures at his Mar-a-Lago resort on Saturday. The Trump administration stated that the tariffs aim to reduce the spread of illegal drugs and curb unauthorized immigration into the U.S., but this could lead to higher prices for many American consumers, from eggs to shoes to cars. This move is seen as a fresh face in the ongoing trade battle, with tensions rising in the trade war involving China and the U.S. Let's continue with the full report as written by CNN. Shortly after Trump signed the measures, Mexico's President Claudia Sheinbaum announced that her country would impose retaliatory tariffs, while Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau said that Canada would take effective measures to curb price hikes. China's Ministry of Commerce announced that it would file a complaint with the World Trade Organization, WTO, and take measures in accordance with its rights, but did not provide specifics. The relations between these countries seem to be heading toward a rough patch. Does this increase the economic power of America and its citizens? The tariffs and other measures could result in a trade war that would have significant impacts on the economies of the affected nations, including the United States. For this reason, Trump's plan includes provisions for increasing tariffs if any country imposes additional tariffs on U.S. goods. This policy appears to disrupt long-standing trade agreements between the three countries, as well as further complicate the ongoing trade war between China and the U.S. This trade war has been in existence for some time, though it has largely been unspoken, as China remains a significant economic player, while the U.S. has fallen back in some areas. Let's continue with CNN's coverage. As Trump promised in recent months, the tariffs will be set at 25% on goods entering the U.S. from Mexico and Canada, and 10% on goods coming from China. The tariffs will be applied uniformly, and Trump's administration has implemented measures that will prevent imports worth over $800 from being exempt from taxes, an arrangement that benefited small traders and online marketplaces like Shein and Temu. Officials in the Trump administration explained that this system allowed for a lack of transparency in these transactions. While Trump's officials argued that the tariffs are aimed at halting the spread of fentanyl and unauthorized immigration, they did not clarify exactly how the tariffs might be removed, other than stating that they would stop the distribution of drugs and immigrants. Some products that are likely to face high tariffs include energy-related goods from Canada, such as oil, electricity, and natural gas. This could result in higher prices when the tariffs are enforced. In implementing the policy, Trump cited the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, which allows the president to impose tariffs during times of economic emergency. The impact of a trade war, the tariffs could lead to price increases, disrupt trade, and result in job losses. In a briefing with reporters on Saturday, one official from the Trump administration said that if Mexico, Canada, or China engaged in tariff-related cooperation with the U.S., it would indicate that there were more significant issues at hand. Many people, including consumers and business leaders, have criticized Trump's tariff plan, arguing that it will increase prices. In particular, representatives from major U.S. companies have warned that the tariffs will raise costs for American citizens, and many businesses will face significant challenges in the face of these trade policies. Shortly after Trump enacted the measures, Canada's Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced that Canada would impose a 25% tariff on American goods, affecting about $155 billion worth of U.S. exports. Mexico's President Sheinbaum also revealed plans to implement corresponding measures, but these details were not fully explained. Meanwhile, China has initiated a tariff dispute based on its own rights. As these tariffs may increase the cost of some goods, the job prospects of investors could be affected by industrial and business disruptions in the U.S. In conclusion, these issues are expected to significantly raise prices for many goods while causing problems related to tariff payments on products from China, Mexico, and Canada. Stay tuned for more updates on this story here on AFRIMEDIA Rwanda. Thank you and have a nice day.